Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on reminders on the Dailyo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below and then click on Reminders. Tap on this button and then you should allow the application to have access to your notifications, so click on the button Continue. Then you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to click on the notification section and tap on this Allow Notification button. As you go back to the app, you will be able to turn on this button. Click on Time to select the default reminder time. Tap on Done, and you can also customize your reminder, so add the note to it and then click on the Save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.